It is week 8 and the final week of this mini braid challenge. On Simply Shev, we are growing a natural hair long, healthy and strong in 2024. And this is the end of the braid and twist challenge. Style in for 8 weeks. You don't really need to take measurements as I'm doing, but I know plenty of you are waiting just to see how much growth I've got, and so I'm going to try and take the ruler and try as best as I can. You can see there where my finger is, where most of the growth is. So my first measurement there is of the top of my head, and I got about 4 centimeters. I'm making that just under 2 inches, so about 1.5 inches, and that is actually where my hair normally goes to, about 1.5 inches after 2 months. Now remember, our hair is always growing. The trick is length retention. There again, I got 4 centimeters, just over 1.5 inches. Fantastic growth there in the top of my head. I'm hoping to retain all of this length in 2024 because it will mean that I really achieve good length, waist length hair. So I'm getting between 3 to 4 centimeters of hair, so just inch and a half. I'm so happy with that amount of growth. Please do share down below in the comment section how much growth you received over the last few months in this challenge. I'm really waiting to hear from each and every one of you. Also remember to hit the subscribe button and the like button on this video because we are trying to get as many ladies in 2024 to grow out their natural hair, showing them that it's really simple to do, it's really cheap to do, and anyone can grow out the natural hair. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and also leave me a comment to let me know how you enjoy the challenge and how you got on yourself. So I'm there continuing the measurement, and you can see, as I said, down to where I've pulled, that you can see my hair has really grown. I'm so pleased with all of that. There is close-up shot for you. So as I continue along, the theme is 4 centimeters or 1.5 inches. I will say growing out your natural hair will take a lot of patience, and if you are new on your natural hair journey, it can seem frustrating to see lots of ladies growing their hair faster than you. But if you have patience and consistency, you maintain a good regimen, you stick with these long-term protective style, I promise you, you will see a difference in the length of your hair. I'm seeing lots of reports here on my channel telling me about this simple way of growing out their natural hair. shrunken because I wash my hair. You would have watched my previous video showing you how I wash this long-term protective style. Plenty of information in there. Also, go ahead and check out my playlist section. I have plenty of videos in my playlist section. How to grow your natural hair in 2020, 1, 2, 3, and now in 4. And also how to do these challenges, mini braids challenges, these mini twist challenges, in order to grow your natural hair out along. And so find my playlist section and find a video there that you can help, that can motivate you. I'm here to motivate you in I was doing a lot less to this set of mini braids and twists than I would have done to my previous set. I wash my hair a lot less, and I moisturize it probably a lot less too, because it's getting less water because it's not been washed as much, and so my hands was not in my hair as much, and so I was able to sit back and breathe and allow my hair to hair in 2024, teaching you, showing you how to grow your natural hair. We can grow our natural hair together because I'll be doing these challenges along with you. Plenty of tips, plenty of inspiration. I hope you enjoyed the last 8 weeks. If you missed any of the videos, if you're just starting a brand new 8-week challenge, go ahead into the playlist section and find a video for the week that you are on in any one of my challenges. As usual, I really appreciate each and every one of you so much. This community is growing. It's growing slowly, but it's growing steadily. And I thank each and every one of you. Your subscription to this channel really means a lot to me. That motivates me to make more of these videos. Comment down below whatever topics you'd like to see next. Maybe what challenge I should try next. And let me know down there so I can produce the content that you want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which is the takedown, and then you can actually see some loose hair content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.